Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. This is going to be another quick video. In fact, this one is going to be super quick. We will be taking a short position on Cardano BTC. I'll be discussing my ideas, my mindset, and why I am doing this. Now, all of you in the C program know that I do not like taking trades against the trend, and the macro trend is towards the upside, right? Cardano's macro trend especially is towards the upside on the weekly, on the daily as well, blah blah blah. But hey, look at this. We have essentially confirmed a downtrend on this channel that we were looking at for a couple of days now, right? Hypothesizing on this channel breaking towards the upside. We are looking for this big continuation play all the way up to 1750 Satoshi. But hey, things don't always work out, right? And as a trader, right, in the Mango Seed, we always talk about adapting and looking out for opportunity on either side. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, we failed to see that continuation and in fact broke this neckline, this crucial neckline, right? So hey, when you're wrong about your thesis, the best thing to be done about being wrong is to be profitable from being wrong, right? So there is an opportunity now to take the other side of the trade, because remember guys, there's going to be a lot of traders who are thinking along the same lines as us, and they're probably trapped now on the wrong side of the trade if they decide to play the breakout arm trade over here towards the upside, because we took out this high. Essentially, let's go ahead and break that down a little bit. There are going to be traders who say, hey, if we take out this high over here, I'm going to enter my position over here because I'll be looking for a higher low and then continuation. But what happened? We did not get that higher low. We got a lower low compared to these lows over here, right? It's a lower low compared to this low as well as this low. So there's no real arguing on the 1 hour time frame that we have now established, or rather confirmed, a downtrend. Now this is where I took my trade. I was hoping to get this video out sooner than later, so that way you guys get an idea of what is going on before it plays out. So let's wrap this up quickly. This neckline over here, very simple, right? Just take your trade right off that. You could also use it to get out of your position, right? So this is how you flip from a long position to a short position. You take your trade based off that neckline. Let's say you take it off this level over here towards the upside. If you're wrong, hey, you get the retest to get out of your trade, and if you like it enough, you can also use it to get to trade it towards the downside. So why do I like it enough? Do I always do this? No. Usually I would just be like, okay, I'm wrong about this, I'm getting out of the trade. But this time I do want to flip as well, because on the 4 hour time frame, you're going to see that, hey, we do have a chance of closing underneath the 21 EMA and the Tenkin, right? And we're about to close this in 15 minutes. So if we do close underneath the Tenkin and the 21 EMA, I will be looking for a continuation move to at least the Kijun. Now here's the thing guys, on the Kijun, we may very well get picked up and see a move towards the upside, because on the higher time frames, Cardano is still in a bull trend, right? In fact, this thing has to come all the way down here and break 1049 for it to really look ugly. Like, it could honestly do something like this and still see continuation. A lot of messy on the chart. So let me go ahead and delete some arrows. There you go. Now switch back on to the daily. Right, there you go. We have the 10K and the 10 SMA that on the daily too. We could come all the way down here and things will be fine. The 21 EMA is coming down at that horizontal that we just talked about at 1052, right? On the 4 hour, we saw a nice horizontal there right over here. So the 21 EMA on the daily is right over there. So guys, Cardano could come all the way down there and could still be fine, right? So you don't be taking any long-term positions on this until we break major levels on the higher time frames, because this is a bull trend still. We are using this for a quick in and out scalp play, and hey, just to, you know, sharpen your skills too, sharpen your swords. Why not? Always look for opportunities like that, especially if you're feeling the mood. So where am I looking for this to come down to? Well, the 4 hour Kijun is where I look towards, and somewhere around here, right in front of the Kijun is where I'll be looking to take out most of the trade, and then perhaps let it ride for a downtrend towards that daily 21 EMA. At this area over here, I will be likely taking all of my position out. I don't keep you guys know how I always keep something in the trade for something crazy to happen. I tend not to do that if we have a strong trend on the higher time frames going against that idea, right? So we'll see how things pan out. Like I said, you always have to adapt, and I'll be wrong about this, by the way, if we close this candle above the 21 EMA right over here above this horizontal. If we close this candle in 12 minutes above 1,279 Satoshi, I'm going to be wrong, because remember, we took our trade based on the fact that one, the 1 hour time frame is closing underneath this horizontal over here at 1,280. It came back, retested it, and we're looking for a rejection, right? So we're going to go back on over to the 1 hour. You can see this area right over here. We're looking for rejection and continuation towards the downside. Okay, cool. But if in 11 minutes we close above this horizontal, then it's not going to look like a rejection. It's going to look like a reclaim, right? And in that situation, our hypothesis is invalidated. And also on the 4 hour time frame, we would have defended the 21 EMA and the Tenkan. So a lot of things would look not so bad anymore, right? We still put in a low. But this could reverse from here after that. So always adapt, always keep your losses small and wait for the big win. Because do these losses matter, guys? Let's say I take the loss over here. Is it going to matter compared to the massive win that we had towards the upside? No, right? Where did we get in? Somewhere around here, right? Way earlier, actually. We've been trading Cardano for a long time. But yeah, that being said, guys, I hope you guys find some value in this video. I love that mark. My L1 trade is going so well. Oh my lord, I just did a video earlier this morning for you guys on this L1 trade. I hope you guys caught that video, because wow, I am very happy about this one. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.